For this activity, we're going to be working with short E words. Each of the slides has a picture on it that is a short E word. It also has all of the letters of the alphabet. Your vowels are red and your consonants are blue. Remember, each word should have a short E in it. If you don't know what the picture is, you can click on the speaker and then click the play button to hear me sound out the word and say the word. If you're having trouble listening to it, it's not playing for you, you can also go to Present right up here at the top, and it'll go into full screen and play it automatically for you. When you're done, you can push Exit and then move the letters. So this is the word pen. I know that's P, P, E. Short E, N, N. Then I spelled the word pen. Remember, you can only move the letters when you're in this screen. If you're in Present, it's not going to work. So when you're done listening, make sure you push Exit. There are more for you to try here on this side, and when you're done, you can turn it in.